What's the meaning of blench? Blench. Blench.
Blench. Blench. The word blench is a verb that means to flinch or draw back in fear, surprise, or disgust. It can also refer to becoming pale or blanching in color. The term is often used to describe sudden and involuntary reactions to unexpected or unpleasant situations. Additionally, blench can be used as an archaic term for avoiding or shirking one's duty. In literature, the word has been used in a variety of contexts, from describing the reaction of characters in horror stories to conveying the fear and hesitation felt by soldiers in battle. Overall, blench is a versatile term that communicates a range of emotional and physical responses.